Here I have Nokia XR21, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section and then to the TalkBack. So here you can enable TalkBack, and after that TalkBack tutorial starts immediately.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn TalkBack on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When TalkBack is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button.
So as you could hear, TalkBack is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems who have some difficulties seeing contents on the screen, and it works the way that it speaks out loud these contents. So for example, you tap on any screen, on any button, on any sign that contains any text, and this text gets spoken out loud like this.
Close button. Double tap to activate.
So for example, to operate in this mode, as you could also hear, you have to select this section, then it gets spoken out loud, and then you double tap to confirm it anywhere on the screen like this.
Close tutorial.
Close.
Close.
Double tap.
Permission request.
Permission request. Allow.
Android accessibility suite on left. TalkBack on right.
So for example, if you want to disable this mode, tap on switcher here, double tap, stop, please. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.